Hi, welcome to Real Times. I'm Carrie Obedzinski, Distribution Sales Manager here at Times Microwave Systems. And this is our vlog where we talk about industry trends, meet some experts, and pretty much talk about everything coax. Today we have Dave Kiesling with us. He is our Director of Sales. And the topic today, Dave, is a little bit more about security of supply. There's a lot going on over the last few years. We're all in the same situation, and it's a real hot topic. We've talked about it in the past, but I think talking about it again is a really good thing for us to do.
I agree. We knew it was going to be a hot topic, but I don't think we knew it was going to be this hot of a topic, because you look in the news today and logistics and supply is everywhere. Every industry is struggling from it, and our industry is no different. Fortunately, we've done some mitigation efforts to help our customers and to continue to be able to deliver the coax that we do on a day-to-day basis.
What are some of the things that we've done?
So first off is we've created a distributed, I would call it, manufacturing footprint. So we were in process with this early, and if you look at where we can build assemblies today, and build cable for that matter, it's across continents. We've opened up our facility in India this year in the middle of COVID and so forth. We have expanded our cable production, so not only can we build that here in Wallingford, in Shanghai, we can now build bulk cable in Arizona. We've opened up Estonia, so we are building across continents, making sure we're close to customers, and that creates some options for us that maybe we didn't have before.
And how are we mitigating some of the, constraints on delivery at this point? Because that's a big one.
So let's talk connectors. I know we're a cable company, but I think connectors are a big part of the assemblies.
Connector company too.
We do a lot of connectors. So with this, I call it the distributed manufacturing footprint, we're doing the same thing with our supply base on components for connectors. So what can we take advantage of in India? What do we have going on here in the United States, Asia, also in Europe and so forth? So by having these plants scattered around the world, it gives us access to a very broad supply base that then, say for instance, look, India went through a horrible stretch with the Delta variant. The country closed down for 6 weeks. We can shift to other parts of the world, take advantage of that, and then if things change, we will adapt.
And adapting is another piece of it, especially with the rising costs of all the components, right? So we're talking about delivery and, the scale of things, but it's costing more.
The adaptable survive and win, right? That's how this world works. And so I think that is what allowed us to stay open through all this. We've invested, we've expanded, and we have so many options available to us, like I kind of mentioned. But it's not like it's over. So you look at what we're doing today, we're talking about how do we shift from one place to another? Are there other places we should be? And we're constantly challenging ourselves about how we continue to manage our supply chain, continue to deliver top-notch product as close to the customer as we can. And we're going to continue to do that. I think the days of consolidating in one location and having everybody come into work for 60 hours a week or wherever that might be, we are not going to have that anymore, right? And so we are at the forefront, I really believe, of this flexible workforce. We can have people shifting from place to place as the demands require it, and we're going to stay flexible and nimble, just like our customers expect from us.
And we listen well to those customers so we can react, and that being nimble is sort of the key in our little niche here. That's who Times is, right?
That's who we are, right? We listen to the challenges, we adapt, we figure out solutions and bring them as quickly to bear as we can.
Well, thank you, Dave, for talking to us about all these changes that are happening around us. And I'm sure I'll have you back soon for another episode.
Absolutely. The world keeps changing. So right. There's a lot to talk about. Thanks, Carrie.
Thank you. And thank you for watching. If you liked the episode, please like it, please share it. And until next time, thanks for watching and stay healthy.